Hey guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one's for my June Glam Bag Plus, which this bag is freaking adorable. It's like an even bigger, better version of the little pouch one. It's got more designs on it. I think this is totally adorbs. I love it. It's like really soft linen. It kind of feels like a pillowcase type fabric. But yeah, we do have a couple of products here that didn't fit in the actual bag itself. We once again have the issue of no product info, so we're gonna just go through and see what all's in here. So first things first, we've got a sheet mask by Benton. And this is the Aloe Soothing Mask Pack, which looks nice. Benton Aloe Soothing Mask Pack revitalizes and hydrates skin with Camellia sinensis leaf water and aloe vera, rich in polysaccharides. The sheet mask helps to keep skin smooth and refreshed. It feels quite juicy, so it should be a nice one. We've also got this, the Balm and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette, which I'm really excited to finally own. This admittedly was an add-on, but they had it on a really good deal. That's why I pounced on it. But yeah, so this is the episode 2 palette. I just love how old Hollywood these look, like for real, my dudes. Ugh, come on, open. There we go. And for once, I can open it without there being a mirror to where I have to block it. Yay! Size matters, so reduce your carbon footprint. Please recycle this packaging. They make it to where there's these little dots on the back, so when you're done with them, just poke those suckers out, and you can recycle the cardboard. Or if you want to just repan them into like a magnetic pan, you can do that too. But I like this packaging. So we've got Fog, Lombard Street, Napa, Alcatraz, Silicon Valley, Golden Gate Bridge, Trolley Car, and Haight Street, which, as a native Bay Area resident, all of those mean something to me, and I appreciate the theming a lot. So, got that, and they're pretty neutral colors. I know I'm not normally that big on the neutral palettes, but again, the theming here, they got me. They got me. So, and then in the actual pouch, y'all, reaching in, first thing we've got is this BFF Best Face Forward Purifying Cleanser, BHA Aloe Vera Finger Lime, I don't know what finger lime is, and green tea. Fights bacteria deep in the pores, gently removes dirt and oils, minimizes blackheads, and reduces inflammation. All of that sounds amazing. A gentle cleanser to remove grime and fight bacteria deep within the pores, banishing blackheads and leaving skin squeaky clean. And then it tells you what each of those ingredients is for. The salicylic acid removes blackheads, aloe vera soothes and hydrates, finger lime fights infections, licorice extract reduces inflammation, and green tea purifies the skin. So that's pretty nice. So, Best Face Forward is a 30-day program to clear and repair your skin, kicking acne to the curb. The 3-step routine is vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatologically tested to take the best care of your skin. See, I unfortunately don't have the other 2 products that go with it, their clarifying toner and their balancing serum, so I mean, I'll do what I can with what I got, but whenever you buy our blemish blasting formula, you'll be supporting a selection of our favorite charities. Visit our website for more details of how you can support the incredible work they do. BFFskincare.com. I will have to check them out, because if they're affordable, maybe I'll look into the other 2 products that go with this. So then I've got a Purlisse Pineapple Bright Gel Cream. It's a lightweight, oil-free gel cream that refreshes and moisturizes. I don't think I have this one yet, so I'm like, ooh, another new one. You know how I love my Purlisse. So, benefits. Pineapple is a powerful antioxidant that moisturizes skin and evens the skin tone. Citrus blend helps brighten complexion for a glowy finish. Vitamin C fights against free radicals. Camu Camu helps prevent signs of premature aging and improves the skin texture. So that's all nice. Let's see here. And then basically it says the same thing on the back. And similarly, we also have the Purlisse Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel. Granted, this is like a sample size, but I don't care. I'm like, ooh, okay. Okay, I'll use this in tandem with that. Sounds good to me. Then we have from Anastasia Beverly Hills, their liquid lipstick in Crush. Let's see. I'm assuming it's going to be a light shade, given that on the end, but let's find out. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. Granted, it'll probably barely show up on me because it's basically my natural lip color, but like, that's really pretty though. Okay, I see you, I see you. So I'll put that little lippy pile over here. Then we have, by Thrive Cosmetics, the Eye Lift 360 Waterproof Primer. Oh, wait, really? Oh, okay. I didn't even know they sent me a primer that month. Okay. Let's see. Oh, heck yeah. And it's waterproof. Fuck yes. That's perfect for under the eyes especially, too, if you want to do liner or anything under there. Oh, shit. Look at that. Oh, heck yes. I can't wait to use that. That's gonna be so nice. Holy hell. Like, I am legit so excited about that. You have no idea. I'm just gonna put that over here with my primers. Let's see here. This is by Gerard Cosmetics, and it's their Eternal Eyeliner in... What color is this? I'm assuming black, but... Shake before use. Yeah, what color is it? You're not gonna tell me? Well, assuming by the packaging, I'm assuming it's black. I'm assuming that's black, but okay. Okay, I'll see you, I'll see you. But yeah, it's a shake before use. Holy shit! It sounds like those paint pens! Oh my god. Okay, that's actually really smart that they did that, because usually these dry up, like, really fucking fast. But with that in there, I bet that's gonna help. I like that. More of them should do this. Just saying. Makeup companies. Take note. That's how you do it. And then finally, what do we have here? I'm seeing some brushes. Given I'm seeing gems, I'm gonna guess they're SL Miss or whatever. Could be wrong. Oh yes, SL Miss Glam! Stay Sparkly, the Rainbow Luxe set. Oh, those are so effing cute. Oh my god. Look at those. Oh, the glitter. Is that glitter or those rhinestones? The rhinestones. They're even better than glitter. Okay, take another look. Those are rhinestones, my dudes, inside the... Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, I'm here for it. Oh my goodness. Does it label what the brushes are? Always my $1,000,000 question. We've got a powder brush. Oh, look at the color. It's pink on the end. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, I can't even. It's so cute. We've also got... Let's see here. Come on out. Let's see. This one is a tapered face one. They do have that very synthetic feel, but that's okay. That's okay. Where'd the rest go? Oh. I was like, oh yeah, I put them on my lap, dummy. I'm loving the little rhinestones up near there too. So this one, I'm gonna guess is an eye one of some type. Yep, eyeshadow brush. Heck yeah. We've also got, let me guess, fluffy blending. A precise eye brush, okay. Could be fluffy blending though. And then finally, our last one here is an eye blender. Called it Fluffy Blendy. Fluffy Blendy. Okay. Those are so cute. Holy shit. I would say they're my new favorite brushes just on the aesthetic, but I mean, I do have softer, so I mean, those still stay the fave. But just based on aesthetics alone, that is so friggin' cute. I cannot even. Oh my goodness. There's no, like, water that has them, like, moving around or anything. They're just, like, stationary in there in the resin, but oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute. Yeah, you want a quick way to part Jen from her money? Throw rhinestones on it. Make it sparkly. Make it pretty. Oh, goodness. I think that was the last thing in the bag. Let me double check. Yeah, it was. So, that was what I got in my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye!